Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to today's deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to be exploring OpenAI's latest innovation, the O1 model, affectionately codenamed Strawberry. This new AI system is making waves with its human like reasoning capabilities. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's unravel what makes Strawberry a game changer in the AI landscape. OpenAI's new model, O1, represents a significant shift from traditional large language models. Unlike its predecessors, Strawberry is designed to think before responding, much like how we humans mull over a problem before blurting out an answer. This model doesn't just spit out quick responses, it reasons through complex problems step by step. Imagine asking your computer to solve a tricky math puzzle or generate code for a video game. With Strawberry, you're not just getting an answer, you're getting a thought process. It's like having a tiny mathematician or coder living inside your machine. Strawberry employs what's known as chain of thought reasoning. This technique involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts and tackling them incrementally. It's like how you might tackle assembling IKEA furniture, one confusing step at a time. This method allows Strawberry to excel in areas where previous models struggled, such as advanced mathematics and logical puzzles. In fact, during tests, Strawberry solved 83% of problems in the International Mathematical Olympiad qualifiers, a huge leap from its predecessor's 13% success rate. The potential applications for Strawberry are vast and varied, from enhancing educational tools to developing sophisticated AI driven research assistants. This model could revolutionize multiple fields. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. OpenAI has acknowledged that while Strawberry can aid in complex scientific research, it also poses risk if misused, particularly in areas like chemical and biological research. It's a bit like giving a toddler the keys to a Ferrari, exciting but potentially disastrous. Despite its impressive capabilities, Strawberry isn't without its challenges. For one, it currently lacks some features that make other models like ChatGPT so versatile, such as browsing the web or processing images. This means it's not quite ready to replace your favorite chatbot just yet. Moreover, there are concerns about transparency. While Strawberry claims to think, the specifics of its reasoning process remain somewhat opaque. Critics worry that without clear insights into how these decisions are made, trusting AI with critical tasks could be risky. OpenAI has rated Strawberry as a medium risk for its potential to assist in the development of chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear weapons. While the company states that the risk is limited to experts who already have significant knowledge in these areas, it raises important ethical questions about AI development and deployment. The model has been found to be more persuasive and potentially manipulative than previous versions like ChatGPT. This has led to concerns about its potential misuse by bad actors. Strawberry represents a significant step forward in AI capabilities, potentially bridging the gap between narrow AI and more general artificial intelligence. However, it also highlights the need for robust AI governance and ethical frameworks. As AI systems become more advanced, the challenge will be to harness their potential while mitigating risks. This will require collaboration between AI developers, policymakers, and ethicists to ensure that AI development proceeds responsibly. In conclusion, OpenAI's Strawberry is a remarkable step forward in AI development. Its ability to reason more like a human opens up exciting possibilities for technology in education, science, and beyond. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and ensuring these tools are used safely and ethically remains paramount. Thank you for joining me today on this journey into the future of AI. If you enjoyed this video or found it insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, keep questioning and exploring.